Hi, guys, and welcome back to BD Studios. Meet Edna. I've had Edna waiting for 2 years. I made her by cutting up and sketching some of my packing material from my HelloFresh food containers. Then I covered her with lots of blue tape and some miscellaneous paper. Then I added air dry clay for most of the sculpture because the top of the head I decided to add some spackling to give her texture. After all was said and done, I mounted her on some scrapboard that I had with a really long, thick nail underneath for support.
Stability, yeah.
Yeah. So without further ado, let's paint her glasses. She has to have accessories. So the glasses came from a different project that we didn't end up using.
For that project.
For that particular project. Here's the project we're talking about. She was fabulous. We ended up going with wire red glasses. So these were made with solid air dry clay with a foundation of wire underneath. So let's just sit back and enjoy the process as I paint Edna and make her come to life. Yes, PSA. Small versus big. You know, buy yourself the small containers. They last longer for your projects unless you're going to do a huge one. If not, throw them out. They get hard. They don't work and you lose your money. With these, you can get your project done and you're going to always have fresh glue. PSA over. Now let's go on with the video and give her the rest of her accessories and just finish this project off. Okay, we're almost done, but I felt like she still needed something. Everything is nice and secure and in place, but the back is going to have some great inspirational words by
George Bernard Shaw.
Yeah, it's a great little inspirational quote.